Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can fix your mouse is not working in Windows, which is pretty bad problem because you cannot navigate on Windows. So I'm going to show you right now how you can fix it several ways, and let's get started. So since we don't have mouse, we cannot control it with mouse. We have to press the Windows key once, and here we're going to type Device Manager. Make sure you spell it correctly. Device Manager. And we're gonna click on enter or press on enter. If you cannot get to this point, to device manager, I'm gonna show you another way how you can access it is by pressing Windows key and plus X or X, and then you go up and down arrows, and then you will see device manager here, which is the same. It's just important that we get to device manager here. So now press once on tab, and now make sure our desktop is there, and now we're gonna scroll down with arrow down key, and now we go to the arrow on the right. So we open this, and now we go to this one. So if you have like me like two of these, then go first on HID, this one, and press an enter. And now we have to highlight the driver tab. So now you press on, so we have to press on tab multiple times until, as you can see, if I press multiple times, you will see the general is highlighted. If I press again, then the OK is highlighted. Now cancel, and here now is general. So when you successfully is highlighted the general with, as you can see, like mine here, we go to right arrow, we go to driver, and then here we're gonna press on tab again, and then again until you highlight the update driver, press on enter. Now you have to be connected to the internet, so make sure you're connected to internet. Go search automatically for updated driver software. Make sure you selected it, and here press only once, enter, and we're gonna wait to search for the drivers. So as you can see, the best driver for your device is already installed. So if you see that, then and it still does not work, then we continue on the next solution, which again press on tab and highlight close, press enter, and go tab, and again tab, and now go to Uninstall Device, press on enter, and here press on enter again on uninstall the device. So as you can see, now it's uninstalled. So now we're gonna go and press, so now we have to go to the file, and then we have to go to action. But how now we do that is to press alt key, as you can see, and press one more time, and now we have to press the alt key, so we highlight the file, and then go right arrow and highlight the action, and go down arrow key, and then go again on down and scan for hardware changes. So I'm gonna press and enter, and now our mouse is there. So if this still does not work for your mouse, just go again with arrow down key, go press on enter, then on tab until we highlight the general, then right arrow, and then tab again, once again tab until we go on install device, press and enter and uninstall it. And now we need to restart our PC. We can restart it with the button, so just press on restart button and restarts. If you, for some reason you don't have the button restart, it's go to Windows plus X, and then here we're gonna go to shutdown or sign out with the arrow on the right, and we're gonna restart. And now after that, your mouse will be working. So thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, like, and see you in the next video. Ask me any questions if you have.